What's going on? I just got out of bed. Baron just left. He's going to work on some stuff at the coffee shop. And today is one of those rare days where I have the Scamp all to myself. Camp's doing better. He's doing so much better. The problem he's had is seasonal allergies, and he's been scratching the crap out of his eyes. Now that we're up here in the high Rockies, he's doing so much better. Huh. Yeah. I'm listening to a Tim Ferriss podcast with Michael Pollan about psychedelics.
So I think the drugs would have found their way into the counterculture one way or the other. There were other routes besides Timothy Leary, even though he was pushing really hard to make this happen. But that led to a backlash, and you had the government coming down hard on it. The media, who had and this was one of the real surprises in researching the book, incredibly boosterish about psychedelics. Time Life, which was one of the most important media empires in the country, controlled by Henry Luce, they were actively promoting psychedelics up until 1965. Henry Luce loved them. He and his wife
got my ginkgo tea with lemon and peppermint, avocado and cucumber with salt, pepper, and cayenne, and then my coffee with coconut oil, cayenne, pepper, and cacao.
And in fact, he insisted that all coverage of psychedelics come to his desk so he could make sure it didn't have anything negative in it. So the culture undergoes a radical 180 around it.
Okay, I'm going to talk about my clothes. As you may have seen in several other videos, we go through many iterations of clothing all the time. Where it is, if it's in our main area of storage or in storage down below. Sometimes I keep all my stuff in one bin, sometimes I keep it in 2 bins. Just kind of depends on where we're at. Right now we are in a place where we require more layers because it's generally in the 60s and 70s during the day, and then at night it's in the 40s. So we need to peel and add layers all day long. Every single piece of clothing that I own serves a purpose. Anyway, let's get into it. Right back here is where I keep my dirty underwear. I don't have any other dirty clothing containers because most of my clothes are dirty. In this section I have all of my shirts. I have 2 t-shirts right now. One of them is a dry blend polyester something, and one of them is merino wool. I have 1 basic polyester long sleeve shirt. This is for sleeping in. 3 merino wool tank tops. Merino wool, you'll see, is a common theme in my clothing. It's a sustainable clothing option. The merino wool fibers don't absorb scent, so we can wear these for many days without smelling, and they dry fast. We store all of our clothes in rolls just to save space. And then in the same container I have this merino wool neck warmy thing. This should be in storage down below with all my snow gear because I don't need this right now, but I just got it. Next bin I have my underpants. I like to keep them all stored in this bag, otherwise I tend to have them strewn all over the place and I don't know what's clean and what's dirty, and that can be not a good thing. My favorite kinds of underwear, honestly, are panties as opposed to thongs, but my favorite kind is polyester. These are Patagonia underwear. Polyester just dries super fast. I can wash them really easily in the river or in a bowl of water. The fewer pairs of cotton underpants you can have, the better. And I guess this is where I'll talk about cotton. Cotton is super stinky. It's really heavy. It doesn't dry fast. What it is it's warm, but that's about all that it's good for. So having things like cotton shirts, your armpits are going to stink instantly. Cotton underwear, same thing. If you don't have access to a shower every single day, you want to have these particular types of clothing to suit this lifestyle, and cotton is not that. Underneath that I have socks. All of my socks are Stance socks. Stance are just really quality socks that last a long time. I've had a lot of these for multiple years. And then these are not Stance, these are wool socks for sleeping. It's kind of like wearing shoes to bed. I have 2 sports bras. I really only wear bras because boobs make some people uncomfortable, but I like to not wear them. Then I have a swimsuit that also doubles as a bra. Then I keep my merino wool layers here. I have a pullover with a hood. I have just a straight long sleeve shirt. And then this one that I'm wearing right now is a pullover with a zip without a hood. Then I have all my bathroom hardware. I've got a toothbrush, baby powder, contact stuff, glasses stuff. I don't have face wash, I just use Dr. Bronner's for everything washing. And now I'll get into the second bin. My pants department, it's pretty excessive at the moment, but like I said, we need a lot of different layers right now in this climate. So I have everything pulled out of storage and here for my using pleasure I have one pair of shorts. I still have yet to find an ideal pair of shorts. I'm looking for something Patagonia or Prana, something that is super high quality and long lasting. This is my Prana Capri farm pants. I almost never wear these except on the farm. I have these two very lightweight pairs of pants from Thailand. Honestly, they are the bomb. Super lightweight, so if I go get in the river or something, I can just throw these on top. They also are really good for sun protection in the heat because they're super lightweight. Two pairs of yoga pants. One of them is like a warm pair of yoga pants that I wear as kind of like long underwear. And then I have a more athletic type of yoga pants. Then I have two pairs of cotton pants. These are pants that I sleep in, and I have two pairs because, like I said, they stink really easily. But if we're not doing laundry for like 2 weeks, I'll go through one and one of them is going to be super stinky, so then I'll wear the other. And then I have two pairs of jeans. One of them is black and one of them is blue. The black pair, the zipper just busted, and the blue pair, there's holes going throughout the jeans. That's another part of this lifestyle, is all of our clothes are beat to shit. Everything has holes, but that's part of this. And that's part of why I like really expensive brands of clothing, is because they don't fall apart instantly, and usually they have lifetime warranties if they do. You can't get by doing this type of lifestyle with Forever 21 or H&M clothes. It just doesn't work. They'll fall apart and then you'll just have to go buy more cheap clothes. Except for my Chacos and one of my Patagonia shells, which were both discounted. They were on sale. I haven't bought anything new in years. Everything I get is either from friends or it's from thrift stores. I find a lot more satisfaction in getting a good deal on a dope piece of gear than buying something full price and new. And if you're in places like Colorado, there's sick thrift shops with awesome gear, and you should go check those out and buy all your clothes from them. Now I will show you what's in the closet. We keep some stuff in the closet. Not a whole lot. When it's cold, we keep more stuff in here, like our coats and just bigger things to get them out of the way. As I've said before, we keep a lot of different things on one hanger just to conserve space. I have my RGB flannels. Then I have a warm hanger. I've got a Patagonia zip up. This is my only hoodie from my friend Allie. And then I have a Melanzana sweatshirt. These things are awesome. They're made in Leadville, Colorado, and they're sewn in the establishment. It's freaking awesome. It's a cool place. You should go there if you're ever in Leadville, Colorado. And then I have my mushroom coat. This is my snowboarding jacket. And then I have this beautiful scarf from my friend Henna. I can't bear to part with it. I just love it. It's not a super functional piece of gear, but it really means a lot and has a lot of story in it. And that's it for my clothes. Oh, no it's not. I've got a ton of hats. This hat is my sun protection hat. I wear it farming, I wear it outside, I wear it to the grocery store. It's from my friend Reed and I absolutely love it. This is my favorite ball cap. It's from my cousin Abby, who got it from my Aunt Rhae. This is my stylish hat that I like to wear when I skateboard. I got this pin from my aunt. It's really kind of fun. This is my lightweight ball cap that I'll wear when it's really hot outside, but I still want some sun protection. It was given to us by a fellow traveler. Okay, now I think we're finally done. I hope that wasn't too long and boring. We've been working on so many videos lately and it has been so much fun, but I have neglected my drawing. So, I'm gonna get back to it today. I'm having a banana for lunch, by the way.
Can I take like a decent amount of mushrooms?
Uh-huh. If we finish them, that would be good. Oh, shoot. That's really good.
Try again?
That's really good. Good thing we live right next to the river.